Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it with the guy.
What up, boss gang? Welcome back to another Entrepreneur Life episode. Thank you guys for tuning in today. So as you guys know, I am preparing for my restock, which is on September the 3rd, this coming Saturday, which is a few days away, you guys. So it's crunch time. Today I am going to be making body scrubs. I've already made the body oils, as you guys saw in the previous video. I'm gonna also be labeling my products as well. And yeah, so I just want to go ahead and take you guys along with me today. I am super excited about this restock, you guys. And also after this restock, I will be also preparing for my fall collection. So make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe as well and hit that bell just so you guys can be notified of all videos that your girl posts for Monabkollectionz. But yes, I am super excited. Excuse me if you guys hear the noise in the background, y'all. If they decided to start, you know, doing yard work out here in my apartment, so if you guys hear all of that noise in the background, that is what that is. But yes, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. So come along with your girl and let's get it cracking.